You're watching Ren TV. You're watching
What's up, everybody? It's your boy Ren Rock. Welcome to Ren Rock TV. Let's get it on. Let's have some fun. Let's go. Ren Rock TV, take one. What's up, Ren Rock family? What's up, gang? What's up, YouTube? Let me straighten up my shirt here. Appreciate y'all for tapping in to Ren Rock TV to check out another snack video, y'all. I've been getting crazy with these snack videos, y'all. Y'all don't understand how elevated I am right now. But yeah, before we get started, y'all go ahead on and hit that thumbs up, smash that thumbs up, and if you like what you see, like the content that you see on this channel, go ahead on and post all notifications, turn all notifications to on, and don't forget to keep praising God. And let's get into it, y'all. This is crazy right here. I never heard of it. I think it's like more like a Mexican type of snack, but we get ready to get into it. Let me tell y'all what it is. It's made by Marinella and it's called Gansito. It's a Gansito filled snack. Filled snack cake. Yeah, and this is it right here. Gansito filled snack cake made by Marinella. Never seen it before in my life, y'all, but we're getting ready to definitely get into it and try this out. So let's see what this really has to offer. Packaging is pretty decent. It's alright packaging. I mean, I think they could have did a little better on the packaging than just a clear coat package with blue letters on it. Alright, so let's get into this here, see what's going on. Little chocolate pieces on the top. That's the back side of it. So let's get into it. Let's see what's going on. Okay. The first got a little like a coconut flavor taste to it with the chocolate. I guess it's chocolate covered coconut. It's got like a gel cream in there and a white, like sugary cream in there. See? But it's actually pretty good, y'all. It tastes like a yellow cake with just, you know, the cream, the chocolate and the chocolate covered coconuts on the top with the cream in the middle. And like a jelly. Spongy too, it's really spongy, y'all. Really good. I'm telling y'all, the kids are gonna like that. But that's something different. Definitely something different, y'all. This is what it is again. Made by Marinella Gansito filled snack cakes. Y'all might see them in your stores. I appreciate y'all for tapping in. And I actually give this a 9. I give this a 9, y'all. So y'all see it in your local supermarkets or local stationery stores, man. Y'all go holler and get that, y'all. Alright? I'll holler at y'all later. Keep God first, y'all. Remember, family.